Okay, so I told Davin that he snores, and he doesn't believe me. So now, he's sleeping, and I'm gonna prove him wrong. Because I hear something that sounds like somebody's like outside freaking mowing their lawn or something, and then I go look, and it's Davin snoring. So let's go prove him wrong. 6:20. He has a nose like Luigi from Mario Brothers. That shit is huge. And that meat neck. Okay, that was it. I proved my point. Later.